Hey, Doc Jones here from the HomeGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine, and I want to introduce you to one of my very favorite herbs. This is Calendula. So Calendula officinalis, again, there's that officinalis name we've talked about before. That means that plant has a strong historical root in medicinal properties. Officinalis from the Italian officina, which is the little room in the monastery where they used to keep the medicinal plants. So anytime you see that name, officinalis, officinale, that's a medicinal plant. Calendula is really remarkable. The flower's the medicine, and they're cute little rascals. It's a nice little plant. The properties are important. It's an antibiotic, it's antifungal, antiviral, it's anti-inflammatory, it accelerates healing. It's got specific actions against the herpes viruses, so it's good for shingles, cold sores, chickenpox, things like that. It's also good for menstrual cramps. So don't take this one if you're pregnant, but otherwise it's good for about anything. I mean, you can put it on a wound. It accelerates the healing, it kills the bugs, it decreases the inflammation. What else do you want, right? Very good for stomach ulcers, very good for bladder infections. Any kind of infection you got, this will probably straighten you out. It's a little bit fussy to grow. You have to have the seeds near dirt or they won't grow at all. So the sidewalk crack is okay, but the actual sidewalk is a no-go. Okay. Other than that, it's pretty easy to grow. It's a self-seeding annual. You'll never get rid of it. It's happy to keep propagating and reproducing. Like I say, the flower's the medicine, so that's nice. You don't have to kill them to use them. Calendula officinalis, the pot marigold. You can eat them too. Throw them in your soup. That's why they're called pot marigolds. So one of my very favorites. If I only had 5 plants, this would be one of them. Put some of these in your flower beds. Doc Jones here from the HomeGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine with Calendula.